Writing the title of a report on a research summary. So on your research summary template, the title will be the first field that you complete, and it's just a written text form here. A couple of things to remember is that it should all be lowercase, except for the first letter of the title, any abbreviations, and also the first letter after a colon should also be capitalized. So if we were to look at this, this is the actual report here. So you can see that every word is capitalized, but for us in Altiorem, to keep consistency, we're going to remove all of these capitals here, okay? So going back to, whoops, wrong one, this one here. So all lowercase unless it's the first letter of the first word, after a colon, at the beginning, or if it's an abbreviation. A few other examples here. Navigating the sustainable investment landscape. Business, it's time to act. So that comes from this one here. So business, then we've got a colon. So its would be capitalized. It's time to act. There's a full stop. And then the D would be uppercase as well. So let's have a look at business, capital there, it's time to act, full stop, capital there, and no full stop at the end. So on any of the titles, we have no full stop at the end. And this is just for consistency across the website. Once you've put in your title, then you can hit save.